I'm going to show you how to make a super simple custom GPT that can find leads for you. The tool we're going to use to do that is called Zapier, and they've built a new tool recently called Interfaces, which essentially allows you to create apps, and one of the little app components is an AI chatbot. Here I am inside Zapier Interfaces. It's just once you log into Zapier.com, it's over here on the left, Interfaces right here, and then Chatbots is where you're also going to be going to customize chatbots, but we need to create the interface first. You would normally click here, but this makes you pick a template if you click this little button, so I'm going to click Start from Scratch, and it's going to build me an interface. Now I'm inside of the first page of my interface. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click Add Chatbot. And now we just have a chatbot inside of our interface, and I can customize everything that's going on over here in the right once it loads. Super simple. So we can click Edit Chatbot and start getting into it. Now we're editing the chatbot, and the main thing you want to do that's going to help us get leads is you want to go to the Actions section and add an action. This basically lets users have buttons that they can click while they're talking to your chatbot, and those buttons can do anything. And Zapier is this really crazy, cool tool that lets you run automations. So you can run automations from your chatbots, like for instance, add this to our CRM. Now it lets me customize the zap that occurs when the user clicks that button. So whenever the chatbot button is clicked in my Zapier chatbot, it's going to send a channel message in Slack to notify my team that we have a new lead, and it's going to add that lead to the campaign in Salesforce. And that's just the basics. You can do a whole bunch more stuff. There's thousands of apps that are connected to Zapier, so you can train chatbots to essentially give users options to do a whole bunch of different stuff.